Alabaster garden roses, one of my absolute favorites. 2 ingredients, easy to make profitable. Let me show you how. The materials, keeping it simple. 1 bunch of alabaster roses. They're grown at Alexandra Farms, purchased from gardenrosesdirect.com. Opening them out and removing all the lower foliage. That way it's ready to go. The second ingredient, 1 bunch of lily grass. That's all it is, lily grass and alabaster roses. Start with your lily grass, gather it in your hand. Look how it lays. You might need to turn some of the stems so that they go outward, but don't lose too much sleep over it because they'll move around. Then once you have your lily grass in hand, go back with the roses. Set it in, give it a turn. Bring in another, and turn, and keep adding until you get all roses in place in a beautiful bouquet. Once everything is in hand, take each strand of lily grass and just pull it back on itself. And again, repeating. Now you may not use all of them this way, but if you go through and give them a tug and pull them around, it creates a beautiful armature with the roses. Just give it a tug. Others, leave them out. Let them be long and beautiful. Pulling it, and give it just a little tug to make it go the direction you want. And turning, making sure it looks balanced from side to side. And then turning. You want to end up with about half of the strands upright and about half down. Probably not perfect, but roughly figure half and half. And give it a tug. The recipe, 10 of the alabaster garden roses from gardenrosesdirect.com. Yes, they come in a bunch of 12. But when I plan a bouquet, I always save a couple extra in case I need them for something else or in case something is broken. So it's 10 alabaster roses and then 1 bunch of lily grass. Tied off with bind wire gives you a beautiful bouquet. When you're planning for profitability, minimizing the ingredients is often the secret to success. You'll find more creative inspiration on our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there as well. But now it's your turn. Pick 2 items, 1 flower, 1 foliage, and create a bouquet. Post it on social media and hashtag Floral Design Institute so we all can see what you do as you do something you love with minimal flowers and maximum profitability.